PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday afternoon, the 4th day of December. It's been a wet day, and now it's turning into a cold day with colder air blowing in behind that morning rain. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam images around the network. These were captured at midday today. There's a look at Mount Cheehaw, and you can see raindrops on the lens there. Down on the Gulf Coast, kind of a stormy-looking scene there from the Gulf of Mexico. That's on top of the Phoenix All Suites, looking back off to the west. And from the Demopolis Skycam, it's a foggy, rainy day, looking right down the Tombigbee. And once again, Christmas on the River is this week down in Demopolis. The big highlight is the Nautical Parade down that river Saturday night. These lighted boats that are animated, fireworks. It is a wonderful event, and the weather looks great. A little cold, but it's supposed to be cold for this time of the year for all the events down there through the weekend. Water vapor satellite imagery. Trough rotating through here, cold front passing on to the east, and we've got colder air spilling in. Look at the numbers in northwest Alabama in the 30s now at mid-afternoon. Still 70s down in South Alabama, a big gradient on that front, but it's very, very cold back in the core of the cold air, and we'll see temperatures below average for at least the next 3 days. And the rain pretty much out of here. That's at 11:45 this morning. Rain was still falling from Anniston down to Auburn, but at mid-afternoon that rain is out of here, and we will be dry through Monday. Let's look at the modeling here. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at noon tomorrow, noon on Friday. And we've got a cold trough over the eastern U.S. Down below that, we are dry and cool. The high tomorrow should be close to 50. Saturday starting off the weekend, same deal. We'll start the day below freezing, a high maybe low 50s with a good deal of sunshine. And then Sunday, a reinforcing surge of cooler air drops in here. Temperatures might drop a couple of degrees. That might suggest highs in the upper 40s. And again, we'll start the day below freezing. So bottom line is dry and cool weather tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday of next week will be warmer. Thickness values coming up. A southerly flow kicks in, but the day should be dry. And Tuesday, here comes our next trough, rotating through Texas. Down below that, the Gulf of Mexico wide open. And that suggests a warm front maybe passing through on Tuesday, but certainly that looks wet. And look at the snow potential Tuesday for Tulsa and Springfield, Missouri, and Fayetteville, Arkansas. For the snow fans that might be watching out there, we'll go to Tuesday night at midnight. Now, this run looks different. It's got the surface low way down south at Mobile. And that would really eliminate maybe any strong storms around here, but still that would suggest a good rain event with potential now for 1 to 2 inches of rain here. And again, we note back in the colder air the possibility of a few snowflakes from Memphis down to about Greenville, Mississippi. And on Wednesday, the surface low deepens and pulls north. Some hint of the rain briefly changing to snow before ending across North Alabama late Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, and we'll probably start to think about mentioning that in the forecast. Typically on the backside of a storm like that and the wraparound moisture, you don't have issues with accumulation or travel problems, just a curiosity more than anything else, but we'll keep an eye on that. And then Thursday of next week, weather looks cold. Not as cold as the OZ run we showed you this morning, but that looks cool and dry. And let's jump out to the end of the forecast on December the 20th. And there's no doubt here we've got a trend toward milder weather as we approach Christmas. You've seen us showing the NAO forecast from time to time. It trends positive. The westerlies shift north. And if this is right, the weather will be relatively mild around December the 20th. And again, for those of you dreaming of a white you-know-what, that does not bode well, but again, this is voodoo. We're just out here looking for trends. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.